Scene script. Imagine sinking your teeth into a slice of warm, crusty garlic bread. The outside is golden and crispy while the inside is soft and fluffy. The rich, savory aroma of roasted garlic hits your nostrils, and as you take a bite, the taste of buttery goodness, infused with a hint of parsley, dances on your tongue. Now, wouldn't you like to bring this gastronomic delight into your own kitchen? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to the ultimate guide to making the best garlic bread you've ever tasted. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need a loaf of your favorite bread. Italian or French baguettes work wonderfully. Then you'll need about 8 cloves of fresh garlic, a stick of unsalted butter, a handful of fresh parsley, and a pinch of salt. Now on to the cooking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, mince your garlic and finely chop your parsley. Remember, the finer the garlic and parsley, the more infused your bread will be with their flavors. Next, melt your butter over low heat in a small saucepan. Add your minced garlic to the melted butter, stirring it until it's well mixed. The key here is to let the garlic cook until it's just golden. This will bring out the garlic's natural sweetness and reduce any harshness. Once your garlic butter is ready, slice your bread. Make sure not to slice all the way through. You want to create pockets for that delicious garlic butter to seep into. Now, generously brush the garlic butter into each slice, making sure to get right into those pockets. Sprinkle a little salt and your chopped parsley over the buttered slices. Finally, wrap your loaf in foil and pop it into your preheated oven. Bake it for about 15 minutes, then unwrap the foil and bake for another 5 minutes. This will give your garlic bread a delightful golden crust. And there you have it, a perfect loaf of garlic bread ready to be enjoyed. To summarize, start by gathering your ingredients: a loaf of bread, garlic, butter, parsley, and salt. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mince your garlic and chop your parsley. Melt your butter and add the garlic, cooking until golden. Slice your bread and generously brush each slice with the garlic butter, sprinkle with salt and parsley. Finally, bake your bread wrapped in foil for 15 minutes. Then unwrap and bake for another 5 minutes for a golden crust. Remember, the secret is in the garlic butter. Cook your garlic just until golden to bring out its sweetness. And don't forget to get that butter right into the pockets of your bread. Follow these tips and you're sure to impress with your homemade garlic bread. So go ahead, bring the heavenly aroma and exquisite taste of delicious garlic bread into your kitchen. Happy cooking!